Hi and welcome to Dynamic Customs. My name is Az and today we have a Mercedes 2012 G-Wagon in for an AMG facelift conversion. We're going to do a before and after video to show you the difference. Okay, so let's just show you what we've just done to this G-Wagon. As you've seen it previously, it had the old bumper on there. It was old, nasty, didn't really look that good. We've upgraded it to the 2017 shape bumper. We've blacked all the bits out, so at the front it looks all nice, murdered out as the customer wanted it. We've also changed the front grille. We've got the new style GT grille, which is also blacked out as per the customer's request. We've changed the headlight surrounds, which incorporates the DRLs. Although they did have them on before, they were a bit battered. We've bought new ones, changed them, fitted the DRLs again, tinted the headlights slightly so it gives it that murdered out look as per the customer's request. You know which place you need to come to customize your car. Please follow us on all our social media platforms and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. I'm out.